Hello, everyone. I'm Krishna Gurram from Visa. Thank you, everyone, for joining my session. In this session, I'm going to explore how integrating blockchain with cloud native infrastructure and AI reshapes incident detection, triage, and recovery in high volume payment networks. I'll begin with why this is urgent, then outline the architecture and automation patterns, quantify the impact, and close with a phase rollout plan and key takeaways you can apply immediately. Let's get started. The urgent imperative. Payment networks are the circulatory system of the global economy. When a major institution suffers a disruption, losses cascade out. Today's pain points are threefold. Firstly, the crippling blind spots. Manual ticketing and spreadsheet-based tracking leave gaps where emerging failures hide, so teams often discover problems late. The second one, extended outages. Reactive incident response add minutes and hours to downtime. Every handoff, paging delay, and misrouted alerts compounds customer impact and also the revenue loss. The third one, compliance catastrophes. When reporting is manual and fragmented, audits take longer, evidence quality suffer, and regulatory exposure grows. The takeaway is very clear. We need a different operating model, mastering the unprecedented. Resilience at a payment scale requires comprehensive approach. First, the high volume processing. We must seamlessly handle billions of transactions across the platforms like Visa and FedNow with strict latency and also high availability goals. Secondly, continuous vigilance, the 24 cross 7 monitoring of health, performance, and security events across services, regions, and providers. Observability must weaken signals, not only alarms that already cross the thresholds. Third, mitigate catastrophic downtime costs. Outages can cost millions per hour through lost interchange and reputational damage. Preventing incidents and accelerating recovery are business imperatives, but not engineering goals. Blockchain cloud, transforming incident response. In this slide, I'm going to explain our thesis is to fuse blockchain's integrity with the elasticity of cloud native infrastructure. This yields trustworthy records, automated workflows, and scale during crisis. Immutable audit trails, every incident event, detection, escalation, mitigation, and recovery is captured with cryptographic verification to provide a tamper proof history for postmortems and regulators. Elastic scalable response. Cloud resources expand and contract to match incident severity, ensuring stable performance under heavy load while controlling cost. And automated smart contracts. Predefined rule trigger actions like paging, flag flips, traffic shifting, or rollback, reducing human error and shrinking time to restore. Moving on to next slide. Revolutionizing visibility, blockchain powered incident monitoring. So, as a step one, the intelligent anomaly detection, high fidelity sensors, and AI models continuously learn normal behavior across traffic, latency, error rates, dependency, and security events to surface deviations very early. Step 2, immutable event registration. Each notable signal is time-stamped and recorded to the ledger, producing an unalterable, ordered chain of evidence that survives tool changes or the human edits. The third one, predictive incident prevention. With a complete and trustworthy dataset, forecasting models identify leading indicators such as saturation patterns or the error bursts, so we can intervene before the customer feels the pain. Moving on. Automated incident response, zero touch operational resilience with smart contracts. Autonomous alert escalation, severity aware rules route alerts to right on call person. The leadership are also added and the partner teams are also added instantly with deduplication and suppression to avoid noise floods. Dynamic resource optimization. When signals indicate load or degradation, automation scales replica, warm caches, moves workload to healthier zones, or expand network capacity without waiting for the manual action. The near instant system restoration. When a rollback or failover criteria is met, contract trigger safe restoration to the last good known state, including config reversion, traffic shifting, and dependency gating, transforming resilience into profit, quantifying the operational edge. Our autonomous incident response solutions don't just promise resilience, they deliver measurable, tangible business value. We empower you to clearly demonstrate how zero touch operations translate directly into the significant ROI, reduce costs, enhanced efficiency, and a powerful competitive advantage. Witness the compelling data that proves our impact on your bottom line. Transforming operations, driving measurable impact. The precision in alerts. Pure positive alert means engineers focus on real threats, improving signal to noise and also reducing alert fatigue. The rapid incident resolution. Automated runbooks usually shorten detection, triage, and mitigation, compressing mean compressing the mean time to acknowledgement and recovery. System stability. To analytics allow maintenance wind city before a failure. The end result is higher customer satisfaction, fewer SLA credits, and go moving on to next slide. Anticipate and prevent failure. We analyze historical transaction flows and performance trends to forecast where the risk is rising. For example, a service reaching saturation during weekend peaks or a dependency with increasing tail latency. We detect the subtle anomalies during the drift in the percentile 50 latency that precedes to the percentile 99 spikes and correlate them with deploy, feature flags, and infra events. We optimize capacity using predictive models and we schedule automated preventive maintenance such as node replacement or canary restarts. Before minor issue escalates into an incident, we usually do all these. Moving on to next one. Dynamic scaling, cloud native agility for uninterrupted operations. The baseline stability. This runs with right size capacity and budgets during normal periods while preserving headroom for the sudden spike. The proactive demand sensing. Detect early signs of surge, marketing campaigns, holiday traffic, partner cutovers, and we scale preemptively. Rapid capacity expansions. Elasticity at compute, storage, network throughput, or regional endpoints to absorb peak loads without throttling. The efficiency optimization. As demand subsides, automatically scale back down, reclaiming resources and keeping unit economics healthy. Accelerating operational excellence. Basically, by applying this operational model in high volume environments, yields concrete outcomes. Substantial reduction in manual intervention through codified runbooks as policy as code. Significantly accelerated incident resolution time due to automated detection, routing, and the rollback. Higher compliance reporting accuracy because every step is recorded immutably and is easy to reconstruct during audits. Streamline post incident analysis with precise timelines, correlated evidence, and objective metrics. Phased implementation. So, assess current infrastructure, map services, identify integration points. Firstly, the initial pilot deployment. Choose a non-critical but representative service. Start by recording detection and response events to ledger, validate latency and storage overheads. Develop smart contracts, encode common playbooks like degraded latency rollback, circuit breaking on dependency saturation, and surgical scaling policies with clear guardrails and approvals. Roll out to the production. Expand coverage to mission critical services and cross team visibility dashboards and tune policy based on live results and retrospectives. Fortify compliance and enhance security with blockchain. The immutable audit trails, cryptographic proofs makes evident tamper evident, helping regulators and forensics trust the timeline of the actions taken. Automated compliance reporting generate accurate, consistent reports straight from the ledger and telemetry, reducing manual compilation and the human error. The real-time transfer provide stakeholders with control, immediate visibility into incident status, actions in flight, and recovery progress. Future-proofing defense, staying ahead of threats. The quantum-resistant encryption prepare for advances in compute by adopting algorithms designed to withstand new classes of attack. The decentralized threat validation use distributed conscious to corroborate emerging indicators of compromise and reduce single point bias. Automated incident propagate validate threat intelligence across teams and regions instantly so defense align quickly. The AI powered detection continuously retrain model on fresh trustworthy data to improve precision and recall as all the landscape evolves. The key takeaways: anticipate sophisticated threats and neutralize them earlier with adaptive controls and verbal evidence. The unmatched reality: decentralized records plus AI assisted operational raise availability and compress recovery time. Strategic value creation: resilience reduces risk, protects revenue, and improve ROI through lower downtime and greater operational efficiency. The proactive threat neutralization move from firefighting to foresight with predictive analytics and policy driven automation. Rapid and automated response: use smart contract like rules to trigger the right actions at the right time with minimum human latency. Enhance trust and transparency. Immutable logs and clear operational visibility build confidence with partners and regulators. Optimized operational efficiency. Fewer manual touch points, standardized workflows, and better cost control across the incident lifecycle. Thank you for watching. I'm Sai Krishna Gurram.